JQ Outdoors. I'm back at my shelter, not the one that I built with Ben from BN to Bushcraft. It's my own little shelter just up from my house. Yeah, so today I did say I was going to do a cooking video, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to do a wee bit more kind of bushcrafty stuff, I suppose. I'm going to build a bushcraft chair, and I'm also going to do a log store for my firewood, but I also need to fix my fire pit as well. I need to raise it a bit more, I need to add a bit more earth to it. Yeah, so I need to get that done today, and then the next time I come up, which probably will be tomorrow actually, part of my you're allowed out the house for an hour or so, that'll be my exercise. I'll come up and I'll do a wee cooking video. For anyone that's maybe thinking I'm breaking the rules, well, if I am breaking the rules, I'm in a forest, no one round about me, come into contact with nobody coming here. It's literally 5 minutes from my house, not even 5 minutes drive from my house. It's probably about maybe about an hour's walk, 3/4 of an hour walk, but yeah, 5 minute drive from my house. I park in a private car park that no one has access to, and I walk in over fields. There's no dog walkers, there's no access to this forest. It's a private forest that I have permission to use. So yeah, so anyone that's thinking I'm breaking the rules, well, if that's breaking the rules, then I'm breaking the rules. But I'll continue to do that until somebody tells me, from an official background, tells me to stop doing it. So anyway, that out the way. So today, bushcraft chair, but I don't want to use any paracord. I want to just use my little hand drill to do that. See how I got on with that. I've never done it before, so it could go pear-shaped. And also, as I say, the fire pit and the log store. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so I'll quickly just take you through the gear that I've got out with me today. I've got my Gerber folding saw that was a present from a Christmas present from the good lady. Really quite enjoying using this saw. It's nice, compactable, easy to put together. As you can probably just tell, hands are quite cold, so a bit more fiddly than usual. There you go. But I've been quite impressed with it. I think I'm going to get a larger one, same style, just with a bit more clearance, so I can take down larger logs for firewood. I've got my cheap axe that I got from B&Q that I've sharpened up the edge. I'm really enjoying this actually. I've just put a little grip on there as well, just to suit my hands, and I just felt it a little bit slidey. But maybe what I'll do is sand it down a little bit so it takes a wee bit of that varnish off, and then put paracord all the way up possibly. But we'll see how we get on with that today. But yeah, this has been decent. £9 out of B&Q, sharpened the edge up. Yes, this has worked quite well. I've got my little TBS Bushcraft knife. This is the Wolverine, I think. This is the Wolverine style. Well, this is, I like this one. It's not a Scandi grind. It's good for food prep. Not that I'm really cooking today at all, but yeah, I quite enjoy this knife. I've also got my little hand drill that I'm going to use for my chair today, hopefully. It's really quite easy, quite simple. It's just a bit of wood, and it just slides in there, and that's the handle used to drill into the wood. I've got my little kind of silky style folding saw. This one works only on when you pull them back. It doesn't cut going forward, it only cuts pulling back. So I'm using this instead of my Laplander, just for a little change. But I quite like this one as well. It folds away nice and easy. It's also got that extra setting as well. So that's, yeah, I like them both. Just nice to change about. This has probably got a more comfortable handle I've got to say, and just a slightly bigger blade as well. So that's my kit for today. As I say, fire pit, getting sorted, bushcraft chair and a little log store. Quite a bit to do again, and yeah, the hardest bit's actually just finding the dead standing to bring down and use. So, alright, so I'll bring you back. First job, fire pit. Okay, so I have my a larger folding spade today. Really easy. They both work exactly the same way. God, my hands are so cold today. There we go. And then just twists into place like so, quite sturdy. So that's the fire pit. Yeah, that's sure enough. I think I'll get just another few spadefuls just to be sure, just to cover the edges, and then we're good to go. Then I'm going to get a fire on because my hands are freezing. It is -4, although doesn't feel as cold in the forest because there's less kind of wind and breeze and stuff. Just generally the temperature is a little bit higher in forest, so, but it is still cold. So another couple of spadefuls on there, and I'll get a fire going, and then we're good to go and find some dead standing. So just a quick tip, I've got some stakes here to secure the surrounding of my fireplace or my fire pit. But yeah, if you just take a knife and just kind of cut in a light angle at the top, it'll stop it from mushrooming. So it'll stop the wood from kind of breaking up as you hammer it in. Also as well, what I like to do, if I can, and I've managed to do it on this occasion, is get a bit of wood. You can see right there, it's quite a lot of knots on it. So it's quite strong and it won't kind of break down as you hammer it in. But yeah, just kind of bevel it off at the ends, slight angle, and it'll stop it from mushrooming out. Finished fireplace. Kind of steadied in the logs round about. The fire will never get as big as that, it will never be contained in the centre. Yeah, I actually feel like I should be planting some seeds in here. It's like a little flower bed or a little vegetable patch. But yeah, it's looking good, happy with that. And as you can see, the little bit of effort to make sure the pegs don't splinter or mushroom out has worked. That's it, that's it. Over it. Jordan, who's my son, that's his first fire. our Bushcraft chair, lounger, call it what you want. It took a wee bit of time with a couple of mishaps along the way, but we're getting there. Just need to put the back on. We've fixed the fireplace. It's just looking really good. Made a Bushcraft hammer. Yeah, we just kind of enjoyed the day, being out and about. Just jogging with the torch on, with the lamp on. It's just because it might not look it at times, but in the forest it's really quite dark. It's the last of our fire. We're just going to extinguish that, pack up and get on out of here. Yeah, so not a bad wee day. I've never got the wood store done. Never got the wood store done, unfortunately, but yeah, that's that project for maybe tomorrow. Finish off that chair. But thanks for watching. Have you watched all the way through? It's probably not the most exciting video we've ever done, but
because I'm in it.
but yeah, wanted to do the chair. We've done the chair. I've got the log store still to do. But yeah, I think I'm going to head back up tomorrow, do a bit of cooking, maybe do the log store, but definitely do a bit of cooking tomorrow. So I'll have a wee think about what I might cook up. Yeah, so thanks again. Remember, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll catch you later. Say goodbye, Jordan.
Bye.